What is up, guys? It's almost 2023 here, and this video is about the part 3 of Real Madrid CR7 El Tornado New Scale FIFA 18. Let's have a check it out. Also, guys, you may subscribe to me because next week is my birthday. Topless. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna take off my shirt. Anyway, guys, let's roll the movie.
Nicely worked until that point, when it broke down, and now they've got to try and regain possession. Real Madrid have the ball.
Real Madrid. CR7, let's go. God damn it. Damn, piece of shit. Móvete, ándale. I'm sorry. CR7.
On the move again. Ronaldo, what a great sight. Ronaldo. It must be.
Oh, holy shit.
That was an amazing shot. Very
What are you gonna do? Come on, get the ball from me. Psych!
Booted to the spot. He flew past him at some pace.
6-0 Madrid versus Chelsea.
Into the attacking third. Ronaldo. Got to keep his nerve here.
Oh, shut it, dick.
On to Ronaldo.
Let's go, CR7.
Ronaldo. Can he do it? Cristiano Ronaldo.
El Tornado. 7-0.
What a wonderful volley. It's a wonderful ability to have, isn't it? To connect so sweetly. It's all about timing that volley. I don't think we expected this. Such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline.
Oh, hell. For CR7.
Morata. And they've cut it out. Ronaldo. There's good movement forward here. Ronaldo.
CR7.
Well,
Damn.
that didn't look
Oh, god
so
damn you.
secure. Look a bit safer now. Yeah, that'll make him feel a little bit better about himself. Got the tackle in.
David Lewis. I blame Benzema.
Ronaldo. Ronaldo.
El Tornado. 8-0.
He took it on, and that's
Shit.
he was rewarded for his bravery with the
Modric.
perfect volley. Well, sometimes they can fly into rows in, but that one back of the net. Well done, son. On their game today, the other very off colour.
Ronald Madrid.
Very well. It's quite a dangerous position now.
CR7, don't you worry about the distance. Then the 4-4 tunes they say. The 4-4 tunes the CR7 say. Messi is shit! Joel! I knelt the day I live! Joel! I knelt the day I live! Joel! Christian make the 3!
Still on the attack, and they've got a corner. It's found it hard to get into the
Hazard.
the player in the wide position. And,
Let's give Bale.
He's not going to finish the game. He didn't really get into it, did he? Part of that is due to the
CR7, CR7.
Ronaldo. He's in now.
El Tornado! Oh, yes! 9-0. see. Let's go. Let's go, Ronaldo.
There's another one for them.
Let's go, Ronaldo.
It might be important at the end of the season.
Forget the highlights. And we're back, guys, because the highlights.
It's the
And we're back, guys, because of the substitution of Real Madrid.
Takes the honest, without question. Not a difficult decision, this one. And rightfully getting a good round of applause. Now Casemiro. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Benzema!
Yeah, Benson. Oh, sorry. We're back, guys, because of the pause game. Anyway, CR7.
On the move again. Ronaldo.
Gonna do for me? Ah, Pedro shot.
And decided what he's seen from this period of play to add on 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Heads it out of play and it will be a throw in. Now Nacho. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo.
CR7.
Still such a danger with the ball at his feet. Ronaldo.
Ah, piece of shit.
But still a chance. Stopped by the keeper. Still in play.
And that's it, guys. That's the video. CR7 won. 7 goals. Hey!
Space to go forward into with the ball. Ronaldo.
Anyway, guys, this is it. That's the final video of the part 3. So you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, next week is my birthday. Woohoo! You guys can't wait. I can't wait too. Right. So next week is my birthday. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video, but I hope not. You can put a comment, send me a request. What team do you want me to put a video on FIFA 18? So that's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And send me a request. Then I can see the video. So that was it, guys. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. And next week is Thanksgiving. So I want you guys to have a great Thanksgiving. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.